Hey guys, Sudwood here, and I'm gonna bring you a tutorial video. There we go, had to adjust my mic. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm gonna bring you a tutorial video on how to install Windows 8 Developer Preview in VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox. And then I'll run through a couple of features and give you like a first impressions. Okay, first thing you do is go download VirtualBox if you don't already have it, or if you don't have the newest version. And I'll have a link in the description, and it's also right here, virtualbox.org. Okay, now go to new. Once that's all installed and stuff, you'll see this window. I just made full screen. Go to new, create a new virtual machine. Yes. We're gonna make Windows 8. There we go. Okay, choose Microsoft Windows. Windows XP. I got the 64-bit version of the developer preview because the 32-bit only supports up to 4 gigs of RAM. So I'll give it 4 is 496. I'll give 496. Yep. Hard disk, VDI, Windows 8. I'm give it. I have two 1 terabyte hard drives in my laptop, so I'll just give it 37 gigs. It needs at least 20 to install. Great. Okay, there we go. There exists. Okay, that's because I made one earlier. Just give me a second to fix this. Okay, there we go. So that's what we needed. Okay, so let's just name this Windows. It's because I had already made one with the same name. There we go. Okay, so Windows 7, 64-bit next. 4 gigs of RAM. Alright, beyond. Next. Great. Okay, there we go. Okay, now before you do anything, go to settings, and if your processor allows for multi-core, no, it allows for hardware virtualization. You can go into the processor and give it more cores to work with. I'll just give it 2 out of my 8. Well, it's 8 because I have hyper-threading on a quad core. Just bump up the video memory because I have an actual what's it called? I have an actual video card, so there's that. Then once you get the IDE controller, then once you go to get all that set up however you want it, this is all just like stuff I do whenever I make one. You have to go to here, click on the IDE controller empty, and then you click on this little disk button here, and then you click choose a virtual CD DVD disk file, and just need to click the one you downloaded, which will be like, if it's 64-bit, it'll be 3.64 gigabytes. And audio, network, all that, all the rest should be good. Okay, so let's start it. Okay. Okay. Then just get all these messages from VirtualBox if it's the first time we're running it. It might be going a little slow because I'm recording and virtualizing. I doubt it though. Okay, so here we go. We are English, United States, US. Next, install now. And now it's gonna get the setup started. Both of you guys, because I thought this was pretty cool and I wanted to sort of check it out. So realized why not? Okay. Back there you saw me choose you either had the choice of upgrading from an earlier version of Windows or custom. And either way, what you even if you were like upgrading from an earlier version of Windows, it's better and more. It gives you a more stable system if you just back up your stuff and then completely erase your old stuff and put a new one on instead of upgrading. But I didn't have anything anyway, so I'm gonna just do it from there. Now it'll probably take a while, so I'll just cut until it is done. See, just so you guys know, just checking in. It's been like 15 to 20 minutes, and it just finished the expanding Windows files, and it's now installing. So, see. Okay, so it's done, and it has restarted. Windows 8 is running. Okay, so it went through all the registry and setting up, and now we are on the personalize. So it's just okay. So we'll put in their name. Setting, expressing, automatically sharing. Customize. Let's see what it has for settings. Do you want to share with other people and connect to network devices? No, I don't share or connect because I am not on a network. So, come on. Seems to be lagging from all the stuff I'm trying to do. Yes, it seems to have locked up. I will come back to you once it's finished. After that cut, that was because I accidentally typed my password into the email box because my computer was lagging. So I think it's this maybe? It's searching, no it's not. There we go. What is this? It's IRSTOI D parentheses or the RGH. I hate those things. Is that it? No. I'll be right back once I figure out what my password is. Okay, I'm back. I reset my password because I couldn't remember what it was. go. Okay, here we are. We're at the change user tile. Huh. I wonder what that is. So this is Windows 8. This is the Metro interface. It's sort of like a it's like a how do you? It's like it's a tablet layout. If we hit the Windows key, Windows Explorer, we get like a sort of Windows 7-ish background. We hit the Windows key again, it'll take us here. And this, click on desktop, it'll take us to desktop. And Windows Explorer has a new ribbon interface, like the newest version of Office, with all this cool stuff over there. And Internet Explorer. In total, this has taken about maybe 40 minutes to set up, I think. It took like 5 hours to download this stupid thing, because it's like 3 gigabytes. So here we go, we have Internet Explorer with a nice sort of feel to it. Let's close all those tabs. Let's try the Metro Internet Explorer, because it's a different thing. Come on. Probably my recording is doing it. Aircraft. Pets Sudoku. Oh, it comes with games, that's cool. Oh, you can shift them around. That's cool. Not sure why none of these are working, but okay, so let's see. Tweetorama. None of these are launching. I'll come back once I figure out what the problem was. See, if you're running this in VirtualBox, the initial screen resolution will be 800 by 600. It has to be at least 1024 by 768 to something like that. It has to be at least 1024 by 768 to run the Metro apps in Windows 8. So, because that is the default resolution for a tablet, so you need that if you're going to be doing it. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is like 4 in a row game. Okay, that's cool. How do you close? So figure out how to quit things. Control Q. No. How do I get to running things? How do I close things? Let's see, Alt tab. I don't want that. That's all my other stuff. Let's see. So there's all these kind of apps. Let's look at Inkpad. See what that is. So it's sort of a. Oh, you can draw stuff. That's cool. Kind of hard with a mouse, but on tablet that'd be rather cool. I think you got stocks, news, weather, control panel. Let's see what store does. That does anything because there's no Windows 8 store. Yep, there we go. This is tweets. What's that? Oh, it's paint. That's cool. Cool paint app. That'd be good on tablet too. Labyrinth. Let's check this out. What do we do? What do we do? So, what's Mopod? Looks like a music thing. You can. Looks like. It's sort of like a podcast thing. Yeah, podcast hosting tool. It's tile puzzle. It's one of the sliding block puzzles. Oh, I hate those. But that'd be just a cool thing to check out on tablet. Guess this is like a flicker thing. Piano. Let's see what this is. I have no idea if these things are closing or not, so I hope they are. Because it'd be bad if they stayed all open. Okay, loading. Loading. Well, that's pretty cool. On a tablet, you could like play the piano and stuff. Nope, that's not the right thing. I guess you can't open the Control Alt Delete thing from. What if you? I guess it only keeps the last thing open. Okay, yeah, makes sense. But let me see if I can get Task Manager. Where would that be? Where would Task Manager be? Change user tab? Control panel right here. Users, wireless, notifications, privacy. Oh, you apps can notify you like on Android and other things. Privacy, search, access, devices, sync, Windows update, more today. I guess it'd be here. What do we want? We want system. System. That's not what I wanted. Okay, well, let's look it up. Task Manager Windows 8. Okay. Want this? Let's see. Because if it keeps them all open and you have to go in the Task Manager to close them, that's really stupid. Okay, how to install it. Okay. Right. Peace. How do I get it to open though? The Internet Explorer looks real nice, but how do I open this stupid Task Manager? It's annoying. Reopen close tab. Yes, there we go. There is no way to open it because I'm running in virtualbox. How to open Sorry if I'm being really stupid, but I think I'll just, yeah, I'm gonna just skip until I figure out how to do it. It's right here on eHow. Because I'm in virtualbox, I can't use the control alt delete. If I do control shift escape, I get this. And yes, they all seem to be running with no way to kill them. That's strange. The only way I can see right now to kill things is Windows Task Manager. So that's sort of a problem, I guess. Yeah, it could be. It's probably a problem. How to close apps in Windows 8? Here you go. Who answers? Yeah, I don't care. Let's see how it goes. Because that's like in all of in the couple videos I've seen, no one's shown how to close them. Usually spends kills them with. Okay, so let's see if I can do it. Scroll all the way to the right. And to the right some more. No. No, I guess not. Okay, let's go back to here. Let's watch this. Hey, I wonder if we can watch a YouTube video. Okay, so copy and tab. But what those answers said is that you may or may not. Is it what it is? It said that the only way to close it is Task Manager, because otherwise it suspends applications and will kill them later when it figures out that you don't need it. Well, that's stupid. Okay, yeah, I can't watch YouTube videos. That's stupid. Wait, I watch it with HTML. HTML5. There we go. Now we can watch them because they'll use HTML5, which is built in. And we're watching YouTube videos on Windows 8. That's cool. This is from
Hi
Microsoft
everyone,
OS.
my name is Jensen Harris,
Okay, that's
Director of
loud.
Program Management for the Windows User Experience team. This is the first video in a series of videos we're going to be posting on our blog in the coming months that showcase cool stuff we've been working on for what we're codenaming Windows 8.
Let's try this then.
We're here in our design room, which is one of the rooms where we have a
Trio
lot of
Stampede.
interesting stuff. If you look over here, you can see some of the stuff we have posted up on the wall
So,
to inspire us. Sometimes we put designs we're working on the wall. Now we've been pretty quiet. There's a good reason for that.
It
As you
doesn't
can
work.
imagine, the team has had many ideas. Many of them were good. Not all of them were, and so we wanted to wait and really try to figure out what was
apparently
going
Alt
to make its way
F4
into
no
the
longer
product.
kills things, which is
First thing that
stupid.
you're going to see when you start Windows 8 PC start screen. The start screen is this personal mosaic of tiles. Every app on your system
Let's look at
is
this.
represented by a tile. Now tiles are better than icons for a couple of reasons. They have a little more space for the app to show its personality. Like the weather app can just show you the
There's
temperature
no
without
like
you
real
having to
multitasking
open it.
from what I see.
We introduced a new platform based on standard web technologies, so HTML5 and JavaScript,
Can't
and
close.
it
Yeah, you can't
allows
close.
the millions of developers who know how to use those technologies to create a new kind of app for Windows 8. These
Only way
apps
to close
are
them
full
is
screen,
Task Manager.
they're
Wonderful.
beautiful,
Okay,
they
so that's
are
one thing
designed for
I
touch.
actually do not like about this new version of Windows. Because if you can't close something that's using tons of like system places just from going up here and clicking the red X, that's like stupid. Anyway, let's try zero gravity and see what this is. So yeah, that's sort of a disappointment to me. No, that's not gonna work. Too loud. There we go. Yeah, so far I'm not really liking it. I haven't really used it that much, but it just doesn't work for me. Notes, okay, that note-taking app, that's pretty good. Too brighter. What's this? Oh, stupid sound. And when you're in the Metro interface, there's no flash at all. It's all HTML5. So if you want to like go to a site that only has flash, you're out of luck. You have to go to the desktop and use that. This is cool. Okay, there we go. I have no idea why everything is so bad. What just happened? Okay, it's rebooting for some reason. Flashcards, what is this? Oh, it's flashcards, sort of like Quizlet or something. Word hunt. Let's try this out. Unlimited mode. Okay, so what are we trying to do? Oh, that's kind of cool, I guess. Okay. I guess it's kind of cool. I guess. Not really only interested. I was hoping for some better stuff from a brand new operating system, but it just isn't cutting it for what I can see. Yeah, that's okay. Ooh, don't want that. Why won't you just die when I exit out of you? That is like the most irritating thing for me, because I just wanna, if I want to get rid of an application, I wanna just kill it. But that's just me complaining. You might like it, so. This looks like the chest. Let's see what aircraft is. Oh, that's kind of cool. 3D model of a paper airplane. You can design it and stuff. It's pretty cool, I guess. Fresh. I guess that's kind of cool. What's Bitbox? This is probably oh, it's a music player. That would make sense. Check out the chess. Yep, just as I thought, it's chess. Losing horribly because I'm not trying. Okay. Let's try that. This is. Oh yeah, that's that. Tweet at Rama. Okay, so you can log in and get tweets and stuff. What's social life? Oh, Facebook. RSS feeds. Yep. Weather. Okay, so there's that. Okay, and this has been. Wait, I want to do one right there. If I go to. I want to see if I can install a program. So I saw someone do it. So I want to show you guys how it looks. Download now. Download now. Yes. Save. There we go. Took a couple minutes because I'm doing other programs. So okay, I'm back. Finished downloading and let's see if it'll run. Extracting. Yes. Windows developer. Accept. Install. It's installing. Okay. Okay, so it's done. Here we go. It's all finished. Now it's installed. If we go back to Metro, there we go. We got Evernote, which will take us to the desktop and launch the app, the application. Download. There we go. So that's how you install things on Windows 8. I think Windows 7 programs work. Okay, this has been Sudwood with my review, first impressions, so install tutorial of Windows 8. Hope you guys liked it.